In this video I'll be demonstrating how to make forcible entry into a building. Most buildings have doors that need to be forced. For whatever reason they're either locked or a lot of doors can be kicked down. In this case we have two metal doors. We're going to force this one. We need to make sure that we have our Halligan tool equipped. The Halligan can be found in the truck company, usually on the left side in one of the compartments. Once we're at the door, we're going to hold the radial menu open, click door, and then click force door. It will put us into the force door animation, and simply left click, spam the left click button until the door opens. And that's how you do forcible entry. In many cases doors will be unlocked already. Simply press the F key to open it or close it. In other cases you're able to kick down a door. Stand in front of the door you want to kick down and click the kick command. This will kick the door open. This is usually only for wooden doors. One way I forgot to mention forcing doors is you can use the K12 to cut the hinge off the door or cut the doorknob off. Once you hear that noise and the doorknob falls off, you can open the door. If you cut the hinges off the door, the whole door will come off the frame and you can have a completely empty door frame.